You know what's funny about trying to change your life? Starting is actually the easy part. मंडे को जब मैंने डिसाइड किया कि ओके अब सीरियसली अपनी लाइफ को ट्रैक पे लाना है, आई वॉज कंफ्यूज्ड ऑब्वियसली। ड्रॉप लूं या कॉलेज जाऊं, काफी चीजें चल रही थी मेरे माइंड में उस टाइम। और ऑनेस्टली दोबारा वही चीजें पढ़ना भी इजी नहीं लग रहा था, बट स्टिल देयर वाज दिस लिटिल एक्साइटमेंट बिकॉज इट फील लाइक अ फ्रेश स्टार्ट। और स्टार्टिंग के कुछ दिन ऐसे ही थे। मैं पढ़ रही थी, रूटीन फॉलो हो रहा था, थिंग्स वर समहाउ फॉलिंग इनटू प्लेस एंड समवेयर आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग अगर पूरे साल ऐसा ही चला तो सिलेक्शन पक्का। But then I realized starting something and actually staying consistent with it are two different things. I think whenever we decide to change something about ourselves, we imagine the beginning very differently. We make plans, set goals, maybe a new routine बनाते हैं। For some time, everything feels possible. मेरे साथ भी exactly वही हुआ। मंडे को काफी confusion था, but once I actually started, it felt good. It felt like maybe actually I can do this. And जब 2-3 दिन अच्छे से चले जाते हैं ना, you start believing that this is how your life is going to be now. Like अब routine set है, अब मैं consistently पढ़ूंगी, अब distractions control में है. If I can keep doing this for entire year, everything will work out. But the problem is, life doesn't stay the same for an entire year. Because consistency sounds very simple when you say it, बस रोज करना है. But what does रोज actually mean? Does it mean every single day has to look exactly the same? Same energy, same motivation, same productivity, same mood? Obviously not. And this is something I'm slowly realizing too. जितने दिन बढ़ते जाते हैं, consistency maintain करना उतना ही मुश्किल होता जाता है. Not because you suddenly stop caring, but because real life keeps happening. Some days you'll wake up motivated, some days you'll feel tired, some days you'll have a lot going on, and some days honestly you just won't feel like doing anything. And that doesn't mean automatically that you have failed. I feel like we talk so much about starting. Start today, change your life, build a routine, become disciplined, but nobody tells what happens after you start. Because the first few days are exciting. The real test is when excitement disappears. When doing the same thing again starts feeling boring. When you don't get the little feeling of accomplishment anymore. When nobody is reminding you why you started. And that's when consistency actually begins. And maybe consistency isn't about being motivated every day. Maybe it's just about not letting one bad day into one bad week. And not letting a bad week into छोड़ो मुझसे नहीं होगा. And by the time Sunday came around, I realized something very simple. सारे दिन एक जैसे कभी नहीं होंगे. This week itself wasn't magically perfect. Yes, I have studied properly. I have actually put in the work. But that doesn't mean कि next week भी exactly same ऐसा ही होगा. And I think that's okay. Because maybe the goal was never to make every single day perfect. Maybe the goal is to make sure that whatever kind of day it is, I still do something. Even if it's not my best day, even if I don't feel like it. Because at the end of the day, one imperfect day is still better than completely stopping. And I'm not saying this as someone who has figured out consistency. I haven't. But I think there is a difference between saying, I don't feel like doing this today and I'm not going to do it. The first one is feeling. The second one becomes a choice. And maybe we can't control every day what we feel, but we can control what we do with that feeling. So if today doesn't go according to plan, fine. Take a breath, do what you can, and come back tomorrow. Don't turn one bad day into an excuse to stop working towards that actually matters to you. I still don't know how this entire year is going to go. I don't know if every week will be productive. I don't know if I'll feel always motivated, and I don't need to know that right now. Because maybe getting your life together isn't about being a completely different person. Maybe it's just showing up for yourself again and again, even on the ordinary days, even on the difficult days, even when the excitement is gone. So for now, I just want to focus on the next day and then the next one. बस रुकना नहीं है, keep going. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep coming back. And if you feel exactly the same and want to be a part of my journey, please subscribe. That's all for today. Yeah, bye.